Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription. It kind of feels wrong calling them a daily transcription at this stage because I missed one yesterday, but because I wanted to make an educational video for you, and I'm going to make an educational video for you tomorrow as well. So taking some time off, and then I'm actually on vacation when you watch this, so I'm not even here. I'll still be reading your comments, of course, but so we're going to have some shorter transcriptions where I don't do any talking over the next couple of days because I want to keep bringing you content. I hope you're enjoying the content. I hope that you're learning a lot from the content because I'm learning a lot by doing it. So you want to help a brother out, hit that subscribe button. It's a really huge help for the channel. Today we have a Marcus King transcription. I've done 2 Marcus King transcriptions on my channel already, so why am I doing another one? Well, I went to see Marcus King in Glasgow a couple of days ago, and he was fantastic because, of course, he's Marcus King, and Marcus King is fantastic. And I thought, what better way to delve deeper into an artist that I really enjoy than to sit and do a transcription? So I looked around to decide what it was that I wanted to do. I found this lovely performance of his song Wildflowers and Wine. I really like this song. It's a really nice chord progression, and I thought it was a fun showcase of him playing solo guitar. He's usually playing this with the band, but solo guitar, so there's lots of chordal work here, but there is a solo in there, and seeing how he integrates the lead lines around his rhythm work so he doesn't lose the kind of the drive, the rhythmic drive, is a masterclass. And of course, Marcus King has a fabulous voice, so you get to hear some of his voice. If you do enjoy this, please go and check out the original video, link in the description, or go and listen to his music because he is wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. I can't keep saying that. Wonderful. He's outrageous. Just so good. And I will probably be doing more Marcus King. Also, I mean, obviously I've put the chords in there, but I would recommend, like, when you're working on things like this, you're trying to improve your ability to hear chord progressions. So I think the reason I like this so much is it has a classic soul chord movement in there. The first chord is a G7 and it goes up to a B7. That's the 1 chord going to the 3 chord dominant. That's very soul, is very gospel. If you listen to, it goes 3 chord and then up to the 4 chord. If you were to listen to a song like Georgia on My Mind, Georgia, 1 chord, Georgia, that 2nd chord, that's the 3 chord dominant. And it's just, it's a powerful move. So anyway, I'll stop talking. Marcus King, Wildflowers and Wine. I really do hope you enjoy it. I'm going to go on my vacation. I will see you in a good few days. Have a great one. Laters.
I walk through fields of evergreen, the golden sun like I've never seen. I pick them one at a time, wildflowers and wine. Feeling the way I do, I know you're feeling the same way too. No, I can't help it. You're all I need tonight. I know you mean it when I look in your eyes. Wildflower and wine. Oh, scratchy record plays in the background of our lives. We're still here dancing all this time. Wildflowers and wine. feeling the way